Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to show you a little cleanup tip on some grout on your tile floor, okay? I'm over here at a client's house, okay? Trying to help her get her kitchen floor cleaned up good. And I had this little idea and it's actually working out pretty good and I wanted to share it with you guys. So bring the camera down here. As you can see, this is a section over here that I've already done. And notice how the grout is a lot lighter in color now. It's about what it's supposed to be compared to this area right in here, okay? As you see, this is definitely with the foot traffic and everything in the kitchen, it has definitely gotten dirty and dirty and dirtier over the course of a few years, okay? Now they've been cleaning it like with a Swiffer or something like that, but you can't really get down in these cracks too well. So what I'm going to use here today, folks, is some toilet bowl cleaner, okay? Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. And what we're going to do, we're going to go and clean this little area right in here. I'm going to do about a 2 foot by 3 foot section here right quick just to show you guys. And I'm going to try to get the stuff right here on the line. If I don't quite get it on there, that's fine. We're going to take a brush and scrub it around a little bit, okay? So from this point, now, let me show you this right quick. I got a bucket here, folks, with some warm water mixed up with some pine sol, okay? And I have a rag in here, and I also have this little scrubby brush, all right? So we're gonna take the brush and we're just gonna move this stuff around right quick, just kind of even it out. And we're gonna let that sit there a few minutes. And as you can see, it's already changing the color of that grout. It's already eating away at some of that dirt, okay? So we're going to go ahead and let that sit just a few minutes, and then we will scrub on it and get some over here. I think I got enough here on the floor. I can put some in this area as well. So we're going to let that sit for just a few minutes and then we'll scrub it good, and then we'll show you what the final product looks like. Okay folks, it's sat a couple minutes. I'm going to take the brush here and actually scrub on this a little bit. As you can see, bring that camera down here. You see, look at the color of it now. After scrubbing just a second. Watch, look right here. You see how brown it is? Watch this. Look at that, friends. That definitely is getting all that old North Carolina red dirt out of these grout lines. If you live down here in the south where we have red dirt, it's kind of hard to keep it off of everything. But that is looking phenomenal. This is not that difficult to do. I mean, I'm lightly scrubbing this, and you see how long it's taking me to do it. I'm not using a whole heck of a lot of effort. And it's just coming right off of there. Okay. Alright guys, that looks pretty good. That has definitely changed the color of these lines. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take our rag. It's been soaking in pine sol and water. And we're just going to start wiping up, okay? We're going to get all this wiped up and cleaned up. And you can already tell that that looks 100% better right there. That looks phenomenal. And I will wipe over this a couple more times to get all of the toilet bowl cleaner wiped off of here. And friends, if you want to, which I've already done here, if you got 2 buckets, I got another bucket right here. Let me grab it. And this is my final wipe down. It's got pine sol and hot water in it as well, and a clean rag, okay? So we'll use this as a final wipe off. And then we'll move on to another section of the floor, okay? So there we go, folks. Not that hard to do. Really makes it look a lot better, and not a whole lot of effort. All right, friends. I'm breaking a sweat here though. You will sweat a little bit doing this, but it's good for you. Get down there on your knees and get some working out, friends. Guys, thank you for watching the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this project works well for you as well. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.